Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a button on card.co. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're making your website on card.co. How do you actually go ahead and make a button? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is go onto your card.co website builder. And then what you see here is an example of a button. In order to add a button like this, all you've got to do is click on the plus icon here and then click on buttons. So once you do so, you want to go ahead and click on the button that you're actually adding in. And this is where you could actually go ahead and adjust it via what you want to actually link it to, or you could actually change the button itself. So that right there, by clicking the plus icon and then clicking on the buttons element, that is how to go ahead and add a button to card.co. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.